everyone, this is my normal preview video for things I got. So I did a video talking about the casino yesterday, and they paid me part of my ticket, 38 cents worth, with all cents. Now out of them, a lot of these are from the 70s and 80s, which are copper. So I got 11 of them. And then I have this other cup that I've been collecting out of my change for a while. Moving on to the next subject. Star Notes. Found this one. And then earlier in the day, the same day, I got this one, and then I got that one later. These are both very common Star Notes, but I've probably found 7 or 8 Star Notes in the last 2 or 3 months, including a $20 bill one. Now, the question was asked by the Kansas kid in a video he just did, talking about people are selling silver under melt. This is the melt value of each denomination U.S. coins that are silver that I felt like taking down. There might be a couple other ones I could have put, but I didn't. Anyway, war nickels and dimes, quarters, half dollar, Morgan dollar and peace dollars, 40% Kennedys, and Ike dollars. Now, let's cover the first thing. War nickels are hard when they're circulated to sell for any high price. These, there's 11 of them in the bag. One of them has got a particularly large hole in it. As you can see, it's a Philadelphia one. The mint on these is over the dome. It's scratched up too, but that's how, if you get a black looking nickel in your change, flip it over and look for a mint mark above the dome like that. If you see that, it's 35% silver nickel. It should be from 42 to 45. Anyway, these, there are 11 of them, 65 cents each. So this was well under melt, when melt is $1.57 for war nickels. You won't get $1.57 for a war nickel unless it's in better shape than these, though. I mean, granted, someone could have asked for more and maybe been able to sell them, but it might take longer. All right, moving on to dimes. I'll show you what's in here. There's 4 in here. One is a Canadian, which is right there. And it's, date's about gone on it. But you know it's a silver because it's got King George on it. There's a barber in here and a really bent mercury dime, plus this one, which looks like it got shot at for 22 or something. It'll come apart from this other one. There we go. As you can see, it's had something happen to it. Anyway, all this was $6. Dimes are $2 and a penny. I'm pretty sure this bag of silver is under melt, even with the wear and tear. Quarters then. U.S. quarters, $5.04 at recent prices. I got these 2. One of them is a Standing Liberty quarter with no date, and then the barber half here, which is $18.99. There's no date on the Standing Liberty, so $8.50. $8.50 for 2 of them. It's a bit under melt, although the wear and tear might make it less so than otherwise thought. Alright, just looked online at APMEX. Worcester & Cole Morgan dollars are going for $22.99. There's 4 of them in here. They've got little problems, lots of wear, but $18 a piece is, you know, quite a bit less than $22.99. They're all beat up, damage, and wear and tear on them, but at $18 a piece, know that you're not getting good looking Morgan dollars. 1879, worn pretty bad. This one's an 1880, 1887, and the last one's an 1881 with, not sure exactly what's going on here. I think whatever did this is making this look like it's bulged slightly. And it is, if you can see this, it rocks a little. Maybe you can see the, yeah, see in between there. So if it's not bent like that, they'll sit flat together, especially worn this bad. These don't rock. These two don't. So $18 a piece, silver under melt. Although I'd have to get out the scale to know if these are truly under melt or not. The price is under melt for a standard silver dollar, but these are worn pretty bad. Anyway, that answers the question. I was able to get some silver under melt. None of it looks great, but you're not going to get great looking silver coins under melt. That's just all there is to it. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and we will get back with you again soon.